Hey guys, today we're making a pan-seared steelhead trout with a creamy vodka pasta. We got the steelhead trout from Marine Harvest by MOWI. Alright, let's take 5 cloves of garlic and we're going to thinly slice them. And now we have our steelhead trout from Marine Harvest. We're going to put the trout in skin side down for 2 or 3 minutes until it firms up. Alright, now we're going to add 4 tablespoons of butter into the pan along with our chopped garlic from earlier. And we're going to let this simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. When you see the garlic start to brown just a little bit, that's when we are going to add all of our other things. We're going to add our lemon zest from earlier that we have. A 1/4 cup of lemon juice that we zested and got from there. Now we're going to do a 1.5 cups of cream. We're going to do a 1.5 cups of half and half. And then the star of the show, the vodka. Just kidding. Alright, we're going to stir this now for a couple minutes and then we're going to add some of that reserved pasta water to thicken it up. And we're going to let it simmer for about 4 to 5 minutes. Alright, when you see your sauce come together a little bit and start to bubble, then we can add our reserved pasta water. This is just to thicken it up just a little bit. So add at your own discretion, and then we're also going to add a little bit of chili flake, red pepper flake, salt, and pepper to taste. Alright, now we're going to take our cooked pasta from earlier and add it back into this sauce. Now just gently twist this around and get the sauce coated all over it. Alright, now we're going to gently add our arugula and stir it in. Mix this up and let's get it ready.